Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil Faiz bin Mahali, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and interesting slideshow presentation. So I will show you guys. First of all, we have the home page, and then you press start. You'll go to the next page, which is the home layout. The home layout, you can change the slides by just pressing this arrow.
Ready, go!
So it will feel like a PS4 layout. So when you press this icon, it will go to your slideshow. So you can put all your information here, and when you go back, same goes to the next slides.
Ready?
Yeah, this one also you have the information, and it will become interesting presentation. So how do you do that? First, you need to go to the file and open new blank presentation, and then you need to change the layout into blank, so there will be nothing on the slide. And then press right click, go to format background. We need to change the background to the darker color, so I will choose black color, so it will become easier. And then apply to all. Alright, and then you need to add the background. Press insert, pictures, and choose this device, and choose the picture from your device. Any pictures, so I'll choose this picture, and then next you need to insert new slide, and then press right click on the slides here, add new section. You need to rename it, so I will put the name homepage. Then add new slide here. So in the home page, just leave it there, and then add another section. This section you can rename it as just put your first information, which is mine is Dota, and then add new slide. So we need to put a background here, so we'll just copy and paste from our previous slide. Copy and paste. So and then press Ctrl D to duplicate the slide. Press slide here and Ctrl D, so you have two same slide. This slide here, we need to have the darker, so press format picture, and then picture correction. You turn the brightness into lower brightness, and then insert the text box here, and then put your information here. So I will put my I will just copy paste from the previous slide. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. That's it. Finish the first slide, and then add another section, and then put it your next information, which is mine is MLBB. Enter. Add new slide, and just repeat it until all of your information done.
The path we chose, the future on our side.
After you done all of that, we go to the next step, which is the most important thing you need to do if you want your presentation look nice. First, you need to change all the slides, change the transition all of the slide into morph. You need to change it to the morph. So press the section here, change to the morph. Alright, done. So the morph is when you press it to the next slide, it will transition from your previous to the next slide. And then, so next step is go to the home page, press insert, press zoom here, and then section zoom, and then choose all your information, which is, if me, I have 3 information here. Choose section 3, section 4, and section 5. Press insert, and then you can arrange it one by one. So after done arranging, press select and press all the 3 zoom, so you can arrange it, all of it. Alright, zoom is so if you press the icon of here like Dota, it will go to the Dota section and then go back here to the home page. I will show you the example. If you go press the Dota, we'll go to the Dota section and then go show your information and then go back to the home page. Alright, so next one, if you want to do it like this, like this one, you want to move it from here to the next one and then next one. Right, so you need to duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl D. You can duplicate the slide, then you need to arrange it. For the previous slide, you go like in the middle. This one at the outside of the slide. Then maybe in the middle. So the next slide is all in the middle, and the last slide is the MLO at the outside and the League of Legends in the middle. So you can adjust the size of the middle piece. So next step is you need to insert the arrow. Insert the arrow. Insert shapes, and I here choose this arrow and then draw it here. Then you can change the color to yellow. That's nice. So you can duplicate the arrow by pressing Ctrl D and then change the we need to rotate it, flip horizontal, then put it at the end side of this one, end side of the left. So this arrow we need to put it the hyperlink. So we need to insert press action here, and then hyperlink to next slide. Okay, and this one, action, hyperlink to previous slide in the for the left one, and then press OK. So press shift to select both uh, arrows, and then Ctrl C to copy and paste it in the next slide. Ctrl V, Ctrl. Alright, done. So from here we know that we can change the next slide by only pressing the arrow, and then for the transition we need to cancel the on click here, all of this, all three of this, and then that's it, we're done. And then I'll show you it will move. Alright, it's done. So you can make your own slideshow with the interesting and using your creativity here. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.